Test. Buongiorno e benvenuti. Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, herzlich willkommen bei der Lamborghini Pressekonferenz auf der diesjährigen IAA. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lamborghini. For more than 50 years, we have produced extraordinary super sports cars in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy. Driving a Lamborghini is more than just going from A to B. It's a dream. Lamborghini is the epitome of dynamic sports driving and informal luxury. This is part of our DNA and our future. Before welcoming our Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, Stefano Domenicali, please have a look at this video. Thank you very much.
Imagine there was a way to amplify your senses. Imagine every sensation you feel was always the strongest, the fullest. Sensations so powerful, they elevate yourself. Free your ego.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for being here with us in our Lamborghini stand. Here on my right, the Aventador S Roadster, the new member of the Aventador family. The most iconic car, V12, full of technology, and an iconic car full of design. This is the inspiration for our brand. Incredible success that started in 2011. In the term of continuity, we see on my left the car that we presented in Geneva this year, the Huracan Performante, with a special edition of our studio ad personam that is really personalized the need of our customer. 2017 for Lamborghini is an incredible year of growth, not only in terms of sales, in terms of volumes, but mainly in terms of brand awareness, brand perception, something that is really unique, and we feel this as a great responsibility versus our future. And if we think this as a starting point, we know that we need to look ahead, having in mind that our customer, after the great success, for example, of the one-off Centenario, want to see from us this kind of approach. And this is something that we're going to confirm today. The one-off approach will keep on being in the portfolio of Lamborghini. And as I said, in sign of this continuity, 2017 is something unique. We are getting ready for the date that is our game changer, the launch, the December the 4th in Sant'Agata of the new Super SUV. This is really, as I said, a game changer for us, not only in terms of dimension, in terms of new facility, in terms of new employment, is in terms of new customers that will come into the Lamborghini world and will have the new feeling of what is our brand versus the future. So, in simple words, Lamborghini is an incredible shape, looking ahead with the challenge that we want to take on board because we feel this passion of being very, very lucky to live and to work for this brand. So with the new Super SUV that we're going to launch once again, I repeat, on the 4th of December in Sant'Agata, we are making something that until today seems to be impossible. And on that, I'm just thinking of you to being here with us, sharing our emotion, and I would like to thank you once again launching this video that is starting the official countdown for the new Super SUV for us. Thank you very much and enjoy the show.